Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my session. In today's video, I'm going to cover few more examples in number system. Yesterday, we already covered almost 20 different models in number system. If you guys have missed that video, first of all watch. If you watch that video, you can understand the concept and what are the different approaches in each and every question. And number system is one of the most important topic for your upcoming examinations. So before starting my session, please like our video and share with your friends who are preparing for different examinations. Definitely our content will help you preparation. So everyone try to solve this question and post your answers in the comment section. So without any delay, let's start our session. Let's see this question. Now let's see this question. The least number among 4 by 9, root over 9 by 49, 0.45 and 0.8 whole square. So out of all the numbers, which one is the least number? See here, 4 by 9 is all about. See, let's hold into the fraction. We can convert every information into the fraction, then we can easily compare the data. So root over 9 by root over 49 is all about root over 9 divided by root over 49. This is exactly equal to 3 by 7. Second, another fraction is 3 by 7. Now see 0.45 is all about 45 by 100. Let's go through that here. 5 9 times 5 20 times. So another fraction is 9 by 20. So 0.8 into 0.8 whole square means this is all about 0.64. It means 64 by 100. Let's go through the fourth table. You will get exactly 25 in the denominator and 16 in numerator. Let's compare that here. 4 by 9 and 3 by 7. Out of these two, which one is the least one? So 7 4 is 28, 9 3 is 27. So 27 is the least number. And if you compare with the 28, now see 3 by 7 is the least. Next, you should compare with 9 by 20. 9 by 20. Just again cross multiply them. 3 into 20 is exactly equal to 60. 9 into 7 is exactly equal to 63. So still 60 is less than 63. 3 by 7 is least. Now finally compare with the 16 by 25. Now see, again 25 into 3 is 75. 7 is multiplied with the 16. So 7 10 70. 7 6 are 42, it become 112. Still it is a less than. Means 3 by 7 is the less among the remaining fraction. So 3 by 7 is exactly equal to root over 9 by root over 49. So 2 is the correct answer. If it's clear guys, try this question. Out of all, which one is the greatest fraction among 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 11 by 15 and 7 by 8 is? See this question, the greatest fraction among 2 by 3, 5 by 6, 11 by 15 and 7 by 8. 2 by 3, 5 by 6. Cross multiply them. Here 12 units, here 15 units. 12 is always less than 15. It means 2 by 3 is least. Compare with 11 by 15. Cross multiply them. It is all about 30 and 33. Still it is a less means 2 by 3 is the least. Next 2 by 3 and 7 by 8. If you go through that 2 by 3 and 7 by 8, 8 2s are 16, 7 3s are 21. Now again it is 16 is less than 21. This is the way you have to identify the least. So least among all the numbers is 2 by 3. But here the question, what is the greatest fraction? Guys, if it is a greatest fraction, definitely 2 by 3 is not a right answer. Let's find the 5 by 6. 5 by 6, 11 by 15. So just if you multiply that, definitely 5 by 6 is more than 11 by 15. Again 5 by 6 and 7 by 8. Again say this is 40. This is 42. Now 7 by 8 is more than 5 by 6. So greatest among all the fractions is 7 by 8. If question is related to the smallest one, answer is 2 by 3. Greatest one is 7 by 8. According to the question, choose your answer. Now see this question, find the least among the fractions 15 by 16, 19 by 20, 24 by 25, 34 by 35. Let's go through the simplification here. 15 by 16, 19 by 20. Cross multiply them. 15 into 20 is all about 300. 19 is multiplied with the 16. Let's take this data. 20 minus 1 is multiplied with the 16. 16 into 2 is exactly equal to 320 minus of 16 is all about 304. So we can say that 19 by 20 is greater than 15 by 16. But here the question least. If you compare these two, 15 by 16 is least value. Let's go through the other comparison. 19 by 20 we are done. Next one 24 by 25. So 25 into 15, 16 into 24. If you multiply, cross multiply them, then you will get the highest value. Now 25 is multiplied with a 15. 15 into 5 is 75. 15 into 2 is 30 plus 7 is 375. Now here 24 is multiplied with the 16. Now see, if you go through the two-digit multiplication, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Cross multiply them. 6 2s are 12, 4 1s are 4. Some value is equal to 16, 1 carry over. 6 4s are 24, 2 carry over. 4 8 3. So 384. So 375 is less than 384. It means 15 by 16 is less than 24 by 25. Finally, we have a fraction 34 and 35 again cross multiply them. 15 into 35. So 15 5 75. 15 3 is 45. 45 plus 7 is 425. Now what about 34 is multiplied with a 16. Now 16 fours 64 and 16 3 is 48. 48 plus 6 is equal to 54. 444. So again if you compare that here 525 is less than 444. If you compare with all the fractions, least among these fractions is 15 by 16. 15 by 16 is the least fraction. Yes, very good. 15 by 16 is the correct answer. Next. Go through the simplification. Jashwant, I Jashwant, and the Razi 15 by 16. Very good. Go through this question. So out of all the values, which one is the greatest number? We need greatest value among all the numbers. Now see here 0.7 and root over 0.16 is all about 0.4. 0.7 plus 0.4 is all about 1.1. So let's go through the second value 1.02. 1.02 minus 0.6 is divided by 24. Let's do one thing. 0.6 can be taken as 6 by 10 and 24 you can taken as 100. See, it's not possible with 100, right? Now you can cancel the value. See, 6 is multiplied with exactly 4 times. Now see, 1 divided by 40. It means, see, if you go through that 0 point means it become exactly 100. Now see, if again 40 is multiplied with it 2 times, so if 40 is multiplied with the 2 times you will get, so it's all about 0.025. And don't calculate this value, definitely 1.1 is greater than this value, right? Now 1.2 is multiplied with the 0.83, so definitely when compared to 1.1 this is the greater value. Again 1.44 is all about 1.2 whole square. So if you compare with all the information, 1 by 2 is great. 1.2 is greatest among the remaining value. That's the answer is root over 1.44. Try this question. See this question, the smallest number of 5 digits exactly divided by 476. 5 digit smallest number. Let us take 10,000 is the smallest 5 digit number. If it is exactly divided by 476, definitely you will get 0 as a reminder. Let's verify whether you will get 0 reminder or not. If 476 is multiplied with the 2 times, let's go through the 2 times here. 6 2s 12, 7 2s 14, 5, 1 carry over 952. So it is exactly 2 times. You can find the difference of 480. Now again it is a 1 time 476. Guys, if you find the difference you will get 4. For example, what is the highest guys? What is the highest 4 digit number? Highest 4 digit number. Exactly divided by 476 means reminder you should subtract it from 10,000. It becomes 9,996 is the answer. But here the question, what is the smallest number, 5 digit number which is exactly divided by 476 means? I told you in the last session also, you have to find the difference between divisor and remainder. So 10,000 plus 472 is equal to 10,472 is the correct answer. See, if you want to subtract, subtract the direct remainder value. But if you want to add, find the difference between divisor and remainder. Remember this point. Go through this question. Very good. Nandasi. It's a 10,472 is the correct answer. Good. Keep going. Now again, out of all the fractions, which one is the smallest one? 6 by 7, 5 by 6. Cross multiply them. 36, 35, definitely 5 by 6 is smallest. Against 5 by 6, 7 by 8. Cross multiply them. It's a 40 units, here 42 units. Definitely 5 by 6 is smaller. So 7 by 8 is not. Finally, 5 by 6 and 4 by 5. So this is 25 and 24. If you compare this data, 4 by 5 is less than 5 by 6. So among all these 4 fractions, 4 by 5 is the least fraction. So 4 by 5 is the least. Next. Now see which of the following is the smallest fraction: 8 by 25, 7 by 23, 11 by 23 and 14 by 53. Let's find that 7 by 23 is always less than 11 by 23. So you can erase this data. Now you can compare 8 by 25, 7 by 23. Cross multiply them. 25 is multiplied with a 7, it is exactly 175. Cross multiply them. 8 into 23. 8 3 is 24. 8 2 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. So definitely 7 by 23 is least when compared to the 8 by 23. Finally, 7 by 23 should compare with 14 by 53. 14 by 53. Let's here 53 into 7. So this is all about 371, right? 7 3 is 21, 7 5 is 35 plus 2 is equal to 37. If 23 is multiplied with a 14, 14 into 3 is exactly equal to 42. 4 carry over. 14 2 is 28, 28 plus 4 is equal to 32. 322. Guys, 322 is the least when compared to the 371. It means 14 by 53 is the least among all the four. Very good. Try this question. Now see which of the smallest fraction 8 by 15, 14 by 33, 7 by 13 and 11 by 33. Now guys, if you compare here 7 by 13, 11 by 13, definitely 7 by 13 is the least among 7 by 13 and 11 by 13. So eliminate. Now 7 by 13 and 8 by 15. Compare now. Cross multiply them. If you cross multiply them, 7 into 15 is exactly equal to 105. 13 into 8. 8 3 is 24. 8 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So definitely 8 by 15 is least when compared to 7 by 13. Now you can compare 8 by 15 and 14 by 33. Finally, you will get the answer. So 33 into 8. 8 3 is 24. 8 3 is 24 plus 2 is equal to 26. Now 15 into 14. So 15 tens 150. 15 4 60. It becomes 210. So definitely 210 is less. It means 14 by 33 is least among the numbers. This is easy question for you guys. Give me the answer. See, the smallest possible three place decimal number. So, of course, it is 0.001 is the smallest possible three digit decimal value. Next, again, be faster in the calculation. Tell me that which one is the smallest fraction among the four. Guys, if anyone new to our channel, just subscribe our channel and share this information with your friends, guys, who are preparing for different examinations. Definitely, our content will help your preparation. So every day I'm going to take live session. I will discuss each bit of information in every topic in quantitative aptitude and logical reasoning. And I will update every information in my Instagram page and Telegram page. Follow us. So follow us my Telegram B2BBK. You can get my channel. Vision to Victory. If you search Vision to Victory, you will get my Instagram page. Follow us and support us. So definitely we will come up with a new content every time. Now see, first compare these two. 17 by 26, 33 by 52. If you multiply 2 means above and numerator and denominator, it becomes 34 by 52 and 33 by 52. So we can say that 33 by 52 is the smallest when compared to the 17 by 26. Let's take that 33 by 52. Now you can compare with 9 by 13, guys. If you compare with 9 by 13, see 33 is multiplied with a 13. So 13 into 3 is 39. 39 plus 3. 39 plus 3 is 429. Here 9 is multiplied with a 52. 9 twos are 18. 9 fives. 45 plus 1 is 46. So definitely 33 by 52 is smallest. But if we have a one more comparison, 28 and 29. Again cross multiply them and be faster in the calculation. 33, 29. See, 2 into 3 is 6. Cross multiply them. 9, 3 is 27. 3, 2, 6. Some value is 33. Now 9 into 3 is 27. 9 into 3 is 27. 2 here. 7, 5, 9. 957. Now 28 is multiplied with a 52. 5 into 2 is 10. 2 twos are 4, 8 fives are 40. 44, 4 carry over. 8 twos are 16, 1 carry over. 6, 5, 4, 1, 1456. So definitely 957 is less than 1456. It means 33 by 52 is the smallest among all the fractions. Now see the number which can be written in the form of n into n plus 1 n plus 2 where n is the natural number. See if n is replaced with a 1, 1 into 2 into 3 then product you will get 6. Now see this question in a farm there are cows and hens. If heads are counted there are 180. If legs are counted there are 420. The number of cows in the farm. Cows let us take C and hens let us take H. If heads are counted means C plus H value is equal to 180. Cow and hen having only one head. If they counted legs, so cow having 4 legs 4C, 2 legs hen 2H is equal to 420. Let's go through the 2C is a 2C and 4C can be taken as 2C plus 2C plus 2H. Understand my calculation here? Let's take that this is the value of 2 times the C plus H is equal to 420. And you know that 2 times the cow and hen value is equal to 180. Then 2 times the cow 420 minus of 360. You can find the difference of 60 then C value is equal to 30. According to the equation, number of cows in the farm is 30. If you want number of hens, 180 minus of 30 is equal to 120. So according to the question, choose your answer. Next, try this question. So understand this data guys. Now see, weight of a bucket when fully with the water is 17 kg. If the weight of the bucket when partially filled with water is 13.5 kg, what is the weight of empty bucket? So this is the empty bucket. If it is full quantity, then the weight is 17 kg. Same bucket here, if you go through the off quantity, this is exactly 13.5 kg. So if off of the water quantity is reduced, so weight is also reduced by 3.5. If off of the quantity of water is 3.5, then full quantity is exactly equal to 7 kg. If you go through the first information, weight of filled bucket means bucket with filled water is 17 kg. Out of 17 kg, 7 kg is water. So what about the remaining kg? That is exactly weight of the bucket. Simple information. Now see, I have X marbles. My elder brother has 3 more than mine, while my younger brother has 3 less than mine. If total number of marbles is 15, the number of marbles that I have. See myself, elder, younger. I am having X marbles. My elder brother has 3 more. My younger brother is 3 less. So every time they compare with myself only. If you go through the sum, 3x is equal to 15. They clearly mention the total number of marbles exactly equal to 15. If 3x is equal to 15, then x is equal to 5. Now here the question. Number of marbles that I have is 5 marbles. Now see question here. If n is even, 6 power n minus 1 is divisible by. Let's take that n is even means 6 square minus of 1. So 6 square minus 1 is all about a square minus b square. It is all about a plus b and a minus b. So here the number is exactly divided by both 7 and 5. If any number is divisible by 7, if any number is divisible by 5, then same number is divisible by 35. It means here 6 power n minus 1, if you take n is a even number, so that number is always divisible by 35. Guys, we are using this property a square minus b square is all about a plus b into a minus b. So if you go through this property, you will get 7 and 5. If any number is divisible by 5, if any number is divisible by 7, and same number is divisible by 35. Why? Because yeah, LCM of 5 and 7 is 35, guys. Next. Now see this information, the product of all prime numbers between 80 and 90. So one point I just want to convey here. Remember this count, guys. In 1 to 100, total number of prime numbers are 25. And 1 to 50, total number of prime numbers is 15. After 90 to 100, guys, remember that we have only one prime number is 97. Most of the students, they thought that 91 is a prime number, but 91 is not at all a prime number. Why? Because 91 has more than two factors. It is divisible by 7 table and 13 table. 7 into 13 is 91. After 90, there is only one prime number, that is 97. But here the question, what is the product of all the prime numbers between 80 to 90? If you observe any prime number other than 2, it is related to the odd number only. So 81, 83, 87, 89. If you apply the divisible 3 property, guys, so definitely 81 is divisible by 3. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 is divisible by 3, means 81 is. If 5349 is added to the 3957, then 7062 is subtracted from the sum. The resultant is not divisible by. They are talking about which is not divisible by. See, sum means you will get 1 carry over, 0 1 carry over, 13 1 carry over. It's all about 9306. Now you have to subtract 7062. Here 4. So here it is 2. 1 we have to carry here. 9 minus 6 is 3. Here you will get 2. And here you will get this value as 2234, guys. 2234, which is not divisible by, guys. You know that divisible by 3 property says that sum of its digits. Now see, sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the whole number is divisible by 3. Let me check once. So 7062 is subtracted from the sum. 6 minus 2 is 4. 10 minus 6 is 4. Sorry, guys. This is 2234. Now see, 6 minus 2 is 4, 10 minus 6 is 4, you will get 2 here, you will get 2 here. Now 2, 2, 4, 4. Let's go through the option verification. If last two digits is divisible by 4, then entire number is divisible by 4. Yes, 4 is the correct answer. Sum of its digits is exactly equal to 12. Definitely it is divisible by 3. Now definitely it is divisible by 11 table also. 11, 2 not 4 times exactly equal to 2244. According to the option which is not at all divisible by 7. So 3 is the correct answer. Next. For any integral value of n, 3 power 2n plus 9n plus 5, when divided by 3, what is the remainder? Let's take that. If 3 power 2n divided by 3, you will get 0 remainder. If 9n divided by 3, you will get 0 remainder. Finally, if 5 is divided by 3, you will get remainder as 2. It means if 3 power 2n plus 9n plus 5 is divided by 3, it leaves the remainder of 2. The least number which must be added to the greatest number of 4 digits in order to that sum may be exactly divisible by 307. Let's take the greatest 4 digit number, 9999. If If you think it is divisible by 307, definitely you will get 0 reminder. Let's verify, you will get 0 reminder amount. If you go through the 3 times, 921. Let's find the difference here. 78, 789. If you go through the 2 times, so if you go through the 2 times, this is exactly equal to 614. Now you will get the difference of 5 units. Here you will get 7 units and 175. It means 9999 is not at all divisible by 175. Now let's find the difference, guys. So how much of difference you can able to see here? How much of difference you can able to see here? 307 and 175. If you find the difference, see, plus 20, 125 become 300 plus 7 means total difference is exactly equal to 122. If you have those 132 units, definitely that number is exactly divided by 307. That's why we need to add 132 to the 9999. That number is exactly divided by 307. That's the answer. 132 is the correct answer. Guys, hope you understand the all questions in today's session. I'm just leaving this question for you guys. Just try to solve this question and post your answer in the comment section. So if you want this material, you can follow us in the Telegram. You can search V2VBK. You can get my channel and download all the content, guys. And follow us in the Instagram also. Vision to Victory. You will get my channel and follow us and support us. If you support, we will come up with a new content every time, guys. Other than your support, we never expect anything from you. So that's it from today's session. Until the next session, have a nice day.